Sometimes you face slow internet speed issues from your ISP. Then it is good to check your data speed. Before to check the internet speed, do not download or upload any data, and turn off VPN if you are using. Let's follow the steps. In the Google search bar, type speed test, and press enter. In the search result, click on the www.speedtest.net link. In the speed test page, click on Go. This will start checking your download and upload speed. After completing the process, you will see the result of your download and upload speed. See how easy it was to check the internet speed. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.